Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamental and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Today we are going to do a fundamental analysis on Rites and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. So this is the website of Rites. You can go through this website and get to know more about this company as to what they are doing. Now let's go to screener and check how exactly is the fundamental of this stock. So here we find that the ROCE oscillates between a range of 30 and it is 30 to 30.5, and the ROE oscillates between 20 till 22 around. And if we look into the stock PE, it is 17.7, and if we look into the industry PE, it is 24.3. So the stock is cheaper in comparison to the other companies in its sector. Now if we look into the promoters holding, it is 72.2%, and none of the promoters holding is pledged, which is a very good sign. And if we look into the sales growth, it is minus 1.26 for this year, and the profit growth is 5.8 years. So even if the sales has not happened for this company, but they are able to maintain the profit growth. If we look into the FII's holding, it is 3.37, and the change in FII's holding is 0.76. The DII's holding is 15.9, and they have increased their holding by 0.11%. So both the FIIs and the DIIs, they have increased their holding in this company. So if we look into the EPS, so it is 22.6. So every share of Rites is making 22.6 rupees for you in a year. Now if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 28.3%. So they are taking home 28.3 rupees in their pocket for every 100 rupees earned. Now if we look into the PEG ratio, it is 1.84, and if we look into the Altman Z score, it is 4.43. If we look into the Piotrowski score, it is 8, which is a very good sign that the company is having extremely good finance in its holding. And if we look into the return over 1 month, it is 8.07%, return over 1 week is 5.93%, and return over 1 day is 5.34%. So obviously the stock is in uptrend. If we look into the quick ratio, it is 1.63. So they are having enough cash for meeting its short time liabilities. If we look into the face value, it is 10, and debt on the company is 0. So the company is absolutely debt free. And if we look into the interest coverage, it is 111, which is extremely high, and it is a very good sign. If we look into the current ratio, it is 1.64, which specifies that the management is very efficiently utilizing their money, whatever is there. If we look into the number of shares, it is 24 crores shares, which is there outstanding in the market. Now let's go and look into the beta for Rites. If we look, the beta is 0.56. So if the market will be moving by 1, it will be moving by 0.56, and if the market will be falling by 1, then it will fall by only half of what exactly the market will be falling. So now let's go and check in the Economic Times and look into what exactly is the stock score. So the stock score is 7 out of 10, and the earning is 3. Fundamental wise, it is 7. They have given the stock score as 7, and relative valuation is 5, risk is 10, and price momentum is 8. Now if we look into the chart of Rites, then it specifies that the RSI is around 61.59, which specifies that the stock is in a bullish state. So the stock has turned bullish, and if you look into the momentum, even the volume is also very high in comparison to the other days. So the other days the volume seems to be around 601k, but here it is around 2.87 million. Now we can also see that the black line has crossed this red line for MACD, and the stock is in a great bullish state, and if it will move, it can even cross the 420 level limits around this one. So let's look into the fair value for this stock. It is coming out to be 420 as specified. So you can look into the pros and cons of this company for now, and the spread for this company is 375 till 455. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you.